Let's talk about the latest launched HMD smartphone Aura. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 900 by 1600 pixels, approximately 280 ppi pixel density, and with 60 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel wide angle camera, along with auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55 plus 1.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc SC 9863A1 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of RAM, with 4 GB of extended virtual RAM, and 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256 GB of hybrid micro SD card slot, and the color options indigo black, glacier green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The HMD Aura has been priced for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at $179 AUD. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this HMD Aura smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.